Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This video I wanted to create about explaining you how often should you upload on your YouTube automation channel. Okay, and this question just keeps coming up time and time again, so I thought to put a video on here just to explain on the frequency on how often should you be uploading on your faceless YouTube automation channel. Okay, so it really depends, okay, on your particular niche. If you are maybe into like politics or news related channel, it's good that you're gonna be posting every single day, okay? And that's what actually news related channels do. They upload videos like every 1 hour they're uploading new videos, okay? So if you are in the politics niche, you can pretty much upload every single day. If you are in motivation or self-improvement niche, you're gonna be uploading maybe 2 times a week or 3 times a week. Okay, if you are in a sports related niche, you can be doing maybe 1 or 2 videos in a week. Okay, if you may be in an entertainment, creating entertainment style of videos, you're gonna be uploading maybe 2 or 3 times in a month, just like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, he uploads maybe only 1 video in a month, okay, but his video quality is super high. But it really depends on your niche, and see what your competition is doing. If they're uploading maybe 1 video a week, and if they're getting like 100,000, 200, 300,000, a million views on that video, you can actually just model after them. So you can maybe do like, instead of doing quality, instead of doing quantity, you can do quality work. Instead of just uploading every single day, you can be just maybe upload once a week, okay, and focus on more on quality, so you can actually pay more for video rather than just uploading every single day, and it's just gonna be hit and miss, okay. And when I first started on my motivation channel, when I first got into YouTube automation in 2016, I was uploading maybe every single day, okay, on motivation channel. And motivation channel is a little bit tricky because some videos can go viral, but some videos will not go viral because people who actually watching motivation related content, they don't watch the video on the weekend, okay. They're pretty much spending time with their kids, their families, they're traveling, they're doing shopping, okay. But in the weekday, they have a little bit of time when they're actually going to work, or if they're coming home from work, they need motivation, okay. So that's when they watch it. But if I was actually uploading every single day, and my channel was literally dying because I was just uploading every single day, and people, they don't want to watch motivation videos every single day unless you are in a news related politics style of channel. That's, you can upload every single day. But if you are into motivation or self-improvement, relationship advice, those kind of channels, you don't need to uploading every single day, right? So it really depends on your niche and what you're actually comfortable with. If you want to just maybe take a step back, and if you want to focus more on the video ideas, and then if you can do like a high quality production video, so rather than just paying maybe $40 per video, you're gonna be paying maybe 60, 70, $80 per video, and that way you can just upload a super high quality video and just do maybe 1 video a week, okay. So that way that video gets like most of the traction, and that way you can just analyze that video, and in next week you can do another video which is super high quality as well. So that way you can keep continuing to hit the algorithm time and time again, okay. So you can do 1 video a week, you can do 3 videos a week, but my golden number is starting with 1 or 2 videos in a week, but do like a high quality video. So don't focus too much on the quantity, okay. Focus on more on quality rather than quantity, especially when you're getting started. But once you're getting like traction on your videos, you know what you're doing, that's when you can just do maybe 1 video every second day, okay, and then build up from there. So again, hope this answered your question, and I will catch you in the next video. God bless. Bye for now.